Is NUVO stock a buy 7th of May and onward? In this 1 minute video, I'm answering that and giving you my NUVO group stock analysis and price predictions. NUVO, okay, sitting at 583. I've seen 185% increases in price today, which is some brutal, some crazy stuff. And I love it. I love how much we've gone up here. Because we have a proof of concept, honestly, this is going to be kind of my next target. And I'm not really just going to buy just for the sake of buying. For me to buy, I need my rules to be met. So let's observe. Um, I've seen a good break here. And then another. Okay, that was not a break. So honestly, if I see a break there and the price pulls down into my demand zone, this is where I would enter, to take it higher. So this is kind of looking for a deep, like a little bit in the future, but obviously I'm going to keep you updated. Now, if you want to learn my strategy for free, check the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next video.